Hey, YouTube, let's learn this PJ Harvey song. It's called This Is Love. I can't believe life is so complex, and all I want to do is watch you undress. This is love, this is love. I'm feeling love, this is love. Alright, it's a pretty rocking song, and you can play it all with the power chords. Alright, a power chord that we're going to use is just 6th string, 1st fret, and 3rd string on the 5th, 3rd fret on the 5th string. That's F. So it's like 1 and that continues. I think it goes around through like 3 cycles of that, because there's an introduction and then there's 2 verses, and then the refrain is same power chord shape. We're just shifting down to the 5th and 4th strings. Up to the G. This is love, this is love, I'm feeling love. Alright, so that's just a B flat to C, and then finish to the G. I'm feeling love, this is love, this is love, I'm feeling love. Alright, you could play it here. Just use the same shape we were using on the F to G. You go to the 6th fret, 6th on the E string, and 8 on the A string. That's your B flat. Go to 8 and 10. There's only one other part that is a bridge. It just goes from C to B flat. And it just goes right back into the... back into it. So that's a good one, a good beginner song, fun to play. It's a good rocking song. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.